Welcome to the complete guide on using SwarmUI on MIMICPC, the ultimate platform for AI image generation. SwarmUI is a next-generation AI image generation platform that combines the best features of SD Web UI and ComfyUI into one unified interface. Designed with both accessibility and versatility in mind, SwarmUI supports a wide variety of workflows, enabling users to create everything from simple images to highly complex designs. By launching SwarmUI on MIMICPC, users gain access to popular pre-installed models such as SD 1.5, SDXL, SD3, and Flux1, making it easier than ever to start generating stunning AI art right away. Its intuitive design ensures that anyone can achieve professional quality results with minimal setup. Let's get started. To get started, visit the MIMICPC website and log into your account. Then, find SwarmUI on the dashboard. Next, select your preferred hardware configuration based on your requirements. Then, choose a pricing plan. Instant provides immediate access. Bargain offers a discounted rate with some availability limitations. After selecting your plan, click Create and start to launch SwarmUI. Downloading models in SwarmUI is easy. Simply go to the Utilities tab and select Model Downloader. Paste the download link from platforms like Civit AI or Hugging Face. Then choose the model type, Base Model, LoRa, or ControlNet. Give the model a name, click Download, and it will automatically save to the correct folder. MIMICPC already includes all the necessary models, so downloading additional ones is usually unnecessary. Let's create your first image. Start by selecting a model in the Model tab. If you've recently downloaded or updated models, click Refresh to load the latest options. Then, expand the Core Parameters section to fine-tune your settings. Choose how many images you want to generate. The seed value used to generate the initial random tensor in the latent space. You can set by yourself or -1 for random generation. Steps. Define the number of sampling steps. Adjust the classifier free guidance scale to control how strictly the image adheres to your prompt. Variation seed. Enable this for added randomness and set a variation seed strength between 0.1 and 0.5 for subtle variation. Resolution. Specify the width and height of the image. Sampling method. Select a denoising algorithm like Euler, DPM++, or others based on the style and quality you're aiming for. Now write the prompt here, positive prompt. For example, a serene forest with sunlight filtering through the trees. Negative prompt. Exclude elements you don't want. Once everything is set, click Generate to start the process. Download the generated image when it's ready. You can check all your artwork in the Image History tab. SwarmUI allows you to start with an initial image, just like Automatic 1111. Simply upload your initial image, and adjust the Init Image Creativity slider to control how much creativity is applied. Write your prompt, choose your model, and wait to see the results. While this feature isn't as advanced as Auto 1111, it still provides excellent customization for unique results. Refiners are a powerful feature in SwarmUI. Here's how to use them enable the refiner and adjust the following key settings. Refiner model. Choose the upscaling model that best suits your needs, as different models produce different results. Refiner control percentage. Adjust how much the refiner influences the image. Refiner upscale. Set the desired level of upscaling. Refiner upscale method. Choose the upscaling method that best suits your quality needs. Let me create an image without the refiner enabled, then use the same parameters with the refiner turned on to better compare the results. Well, let's create another image. Perfect! ControlNet guides Stable Diffusion by replicating features from a reference image. To use ControlNet, enable it in the interface. When you first open it, you may be prompted to install preprocessors. Just click to install them. Next, choose a preprocessor. Select the ControlNet model from the ControlNets tab below. Then adjust the ControlNet strength value to control how much influence the reference image has on the output. And upload a reference image that will guide the output. Once everything is set up, add your prompts and click Generate to see the refined result. SwarmUI integrates with ComfyUI workflows for advanced image generation control and customization. To get started, head to the Comfy Workflow tab. If you have a workflow file, upload it here. Let's create an image as an example. You can choose to work either with the workflow or directly in the Generate tab. If you want to use your uploaded workflow, click Use this workflow in the Generate tab to enter your prompt and generate images. Alternatively, if you've already configured settings in the Generate tab, you can convert them into a workflow by clicking Import from Generate tab. This creates a workflow based on your current parameters. As you can see in the video, switching between workflows and the Generate tab is simple and seamless. The flexibility makes it a fantastic tool for customizing your creative process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Explore SwarmUI, unleash your creativity, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.